Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tong siap na ango yo boleh try kendat bala kepu kedok bat dalam ti bat nang ba kecing kepu ke jung ngelayo ya ka jingjob hak ni ka election ka ba mentah apa dei baka district council election
pisau
nasim ya ka kabu benai ku boleh ya kinong kersan BE jong kapati ibala syania yang saisian ben penjong don brom ya keneka April Langrin HADC election kapamentah di ai ku pleru wadik tu kibam kersan ru ya paro kinong snong jong ka April Langrin Constituency bah nak tak jong kiru tu boleh don kan bat gin ya trelang nah kenta akam apa idai bat kejing non kam apa dai apa konsumsi bat apa idai bat district council apa nak leng jongangan la chadai punno bangin ya la bat nang pen khan shu nak kenta ka jing non kam apa idai bat district council
chung option bet na
em yang mentah ngampat ya teblut ni pada jikhen katno ni kan tadi wangi job bat nak kui parti apa ki job katno dang leyo yang jikhen ya kata sesium rai lang da ka parti hi bro oi
hadin mengilah dapur yang jinyo sebut mentah ka pensik Langrin asal Constituency mengilah lapan chết điều không thể dùng trong cái election thì tăng cái poli cái này cái certificate of election cái bây đây cái này cái election của ta cái six Langrin constituency I Shri I returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency number 26 Langrin in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certified on the 24th day of February 2025, declared Shri Pius Marweiñ of United Democratic Party to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted him this certificate of election. Thank you.